Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to buy champion sword. Okay, let's go. Okay, and go here to the Grand Reef and go here to this hall and get your Heart of Zeus. If you don't have it, I'm gonna show it in another short. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay, here guys. So guys, now it's 80k, so don't miss out. And if you enchant it with hasty, it's pretty good. Like, look at this. Super fast, right? Yeah, you can enchant it with Quantum if you want. Kinda good too. Okay. Bye guys. And make sure to subscribe.